viewers, hello subscribers. So today video is all about how to create your own pattern in Adobe Illustrator. So don't waste any time, please. First of all, I tell you one thing. Let's start the video, and sorry for I'm not creating a video after a long time, so sorry for that guys. So let's start with this artwork. I'm just create this illustration part of piece, and now I'm going to pattern. So first of all, I'm just put over here, and you simply go to the brush panels. Over here you just drag and here your art of piece and create a pattern. So take a brush tool and start, select your brush like this. You like this a simple brush. I'm using my art of piece. This is a scatter brush. So I'm create this pattern. You want how to create a pattern, not if you want like see this. If you want state, so you want state, how to state, just state shift. So you create your own pattern. I am creating my pattern design and you create yours. So that's it guys. Subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon to enjoy more